Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to select the element matching one of the condition. One of the condition is what exactly? Means you have n number of XPath creation, CSS selector, IDs or something we can able to having some different elements, and that different elements how you can able to create for that single XPath or CSS selector in a single format, how we can able to identify, how it will select it, and if I'm going to provide a multiple one, how it will select it. This question will comes to everybody, right? If you are using for a normal way, and you can able to identify easily, right? The element which is presented we can able to identify. Tomorrow what will happen, just imagination, okay? I don't have the proper one which is already changing or coming all the things, okay? Just I'm taking for this is the one, okay? You can take the sign on or register or support or contact is there, but tomorrow they change the name as they removed for comma, which is sign on comma is there, right? That they removed and they make it for single, then definitely our path will be failed because of we are took the path by using this particular element, and the registration is there, that registration also it is changed, and is it is going to made different. Then what will happen, we can't able to find, we can able to use for single x path by using to selecting for that particular element. We can able to use a double forward slash a, and we can able to use the contains and text, and we can able to use it comma, and we can able to use a sign comma on, and like this we can able to, and tomorrow if it is moved out of that, see now it is not able to identify. And how we can able to use the comma separated, I want to make it that without fail my script, means we can able to use for our Chrome dev tools in the Playwright. You can now see the Playwright codes in, and this already I showed into my previous videos also. Please go through that one more time, and you can able to get it for, okay? And don't worry, if you are getting some confusion, please watch my previous videos, you can definitely will get it for that, okay? And just I'm entering now, you can see here we are is presented. Now in the normal browser we are not able to comma separated, we are not able to do it. Now we can able to see, if I'm going to inspect here, if I'm going to here, okay, and now I'm going to creating for, even you can able to use for normal browser which is related to XPath type, okay, a colon and hash text, what exactly hash text is presented is a sign on. See, it is not selecting, right? I'm going to copying the same one, I'm going to opening for my dev tools, I'm going to use it here, Playwright, okay, dot a dollar, and I'm going to use it here, double quotation, and inside that I'm going to paste it. Now if I'm see, it is able to find it. Now there is like in normal application, like normal browser, Chrome browser, it is not providing for our element, right? But our Playwright dev tools are providing for the element which we are trying to find it, okay? This is a one format. And how many ways we can able to select this matching one, there are two possibilities, okay? There are two possibilities, one is comma separated CSS selectors, okay, and another one is XPath union operator, okay. These are two ways, comma separated, how we can able to do it. Now you can able to see here, this is the one we identified, okay. Tomorrow if you want to identify like the same one, I want to comma separated. But same path, maybe in the tomorrow, if they are going to change your element by using like this, still you want to identify your path without failing. If you enter, still it is able to find it. Okay, how it will matches for first one? It will check the first one. If it is matching, then it will identify and it will provide. Okay, and now what will happen is the second one is presented. First one is not working. Second one is working. Then it will provide for second one result. Like that, it will check it. How many path you want to create? That many path you can able to create here. Do it. It will work only for the single way of using this. No, you can able to see. Again, I'm going to use it for comma separated, and I'm going to use it here. There is another path which is the gist. Okay, now you can see still it is providing one, but I want to provide, I need to find all the values. Then what we can able to do? A multiple dollars. Multiple dollars it will provide for list of elements. You can see there are two elements are matched. Yeah, it is showing. If you maximize, like you can able to identify here. Okay, the length it is provided for two. Okay, the array is presented for two elements. You can expand, you can able to check it out. Okay, this is a format we can able to. How many path you want to find it? Like if you are creating a 10x path, going to 10x path, you can able to create in a single way by using the comma separated, by using hash text, and you can able to identify that particular element. It will provide here. And for use the for loop, and you can able to identify and you can able to do it. The same one if you are going to do it, like if you are going to have it, see, and again I'm going to use it here. Another file I'm going to create. Okay, the test underscore, which is matching. Okay, and here I'm going to, what I can do, right? I can able to copy up to here. I'll paste it here. Okay, then what I can able to do it, page dot a locator, and the locator what I need to copy, and this is the one I need to copy. Just I'm coming here, I'm pasting here. Okay, just all the things it is providing. Okay, what are the things I'm going to finding, that all the things it is providing. Okay, just what I can do here, I'm going to use it like list of elements. Okay, and I'm going to use for loop and list and in list elements and print leads. Okay, just I'm going to print it. Matching elements. If I'm entering now, see the browser is opening, and if you open here, okay, sorry, again it is mismatched. All inner text. See, all the things are provided. Sign up and register. Both the things are provided. Now I want to click the element. Which one it will click? We'll see. Dot click. I'm going to use the dot click, and after that I'm going to use for time dot sleep. I'm going to use for 5 seconds. Now just imagine what will happen here now. Shit. Okay, it is finding the two elements. It is not able to identify. Okay, sorry. The list of elements are identified because both the elements are presented, right? We are concentrating for one single element to identify. Now you see sign on, it is clicked, right? It is able to comes to here, which is generally like use it, which is commonly naming changes are presented, right? That particular naming changes you can able to use it. And if you want a list of elements to identify like this, you can able to provide one list and find that once the particular registration element is presented, then you can able to click like that, you can able to use the for loop. Okay, this is the way we can able to identify. If you want to provide the list of elements identification, then use for double dollars. And if you want to find a single element, you can use for single dollar. Okay, this is a simple format of using for comma separated XPath creation. And first one is satisfying, correct? Now CSS selector we are used for comma separated and we can able to identify our element. Then what is the uni operator? Uni operator is nothing but we can able to say r symbol. If that element is presented, then we can able to identify. Okay, it's one kind of XPath creation. How we can able to do it? This one we can able to by achieving this particular normal browser also. Okay, and I'm going to use for double forward slash and I'm going to use it here. And you can able to use for contains, and here I can able to use for text and comma separated, and now you can see it is identified, right? The same thing you can able to use for r operator, and again you can able to use it for same one. Anyone it is still it is matching for the same one. The similar format you can able to use the Playwright also. No issues. This particular uni operator will help you to identify both the places. It will because of that uni operator is having the same format, a dollar, and you can able to use it here. See, still it is able to identify. That also identify, this also identify. Both the cases it will provide. Okay, this is a simplest format to identify for by using XPath Union operator. Maybe you'll get it for where how can I use for and operator. And operator is basically both the should be matched, then only it will identify and symbol. If you no, it will not be identified because evolution will come to the picture. Okay, we can able to identify by using for R operator, uni operator by using R symbol. This symbol we can able to identify that particular element. This is the simplest format to identify for a uni operator and XPath, which is comma separated by the elements, which is matching for the condition, which is the one we are going to use it with comma and XPath uni operator. I hope you understand this one. Please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.